Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen.
I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda. You know, it can be difficult to find new snacks and ways to stay on track and feel satisfied with your snacks. Today, we're making it count by showing you a few snack ideas to keep you on that healthy eating track.
I'll say. We're the BariGirls, brought to you by Hen House Markets.
And we've made it our life's goal to show you how to eat healthy and make it count.
We have Greek yogurt, which we all know is good for your gut health. We also have yogurt pretzels, and then we have almonds, but these are special almonds. Not to mention, Mom, a variety of different kinds of tuna, packed tuna, to make it easy for you when you're out and about or even at work.
Chickpeas are low on the glycemic index, which means that it makes your blood glucose numbers rise slowly. Chickpeas are absorbed very slowly into the digestive system. Thereby, it doesn't raise your blood glucose numbers very quickly. And for a diabetic as myself and all those others, your blood glucose numbers wants to be slowly raised as opposed to quickly raised. So this is a great option for diabetics, but it's also a great option for other factors for a healthy gut as well.
I'm telling you, best part about the chickpeas though, Mom, they're high in dietary fiber, but not just any dietary fiber, soluble dietary fiber, which is called raffinose, which once again, a wonderful probiotic. Gut health, okay? Gut health.
A healthy, happy gut is one of the ingredients as far as getting on the healthy eating track and staying there.
It is.
Providing overall health.
Let's start by preheating the oven to 400, and we're gonna line our cookie sheet with parchment paper, okay? You're gonna take your chickpeas and drain them from the can in your strainer. From there, you're going to go ahead and lay the chickpeas out on the parchment paper, drizzle some oil on there, and some of your pink Himalayan salt, okay? A few other things in there. Now, from there, you're going to place the chickpeas in the oven for anywhere for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then just kind of check on it, keep an eye out for it. When this is done, move it from the oven, let it cool before you serve it. Now, let's move on to our roasted almonds.
You know, most people enjoy almonds, they know they're beneficial for you, but why? Well, some of the benefits of almonds are that they're high in vitamin E, calcium, and phosphorus. Phosphorus is good for bone health as well as calcium, and it may aid in the prevention of fractures.
These are my favorites. So what you'll do, Mom, is you'll put them into a large mixing bowl. From there, you're going to drizzle your oil and your honey and a couple other fun ingredients you might want to throw in there as well. Once again, you're going to line your cookie sheet with that parchment paper. Drizzles a little bit of oil on there, but yes, you will have some oil from the almonds as well, but we're just trying to make sure it sticks. Fun fact is that Mom introduced me to parchment paper, and I was just like, I'm having such a hard time, they're sticking to the foil. And she said, try parchment paper. How long have you known this and you didn't tell me this? I'm just like, what in the world is going on here? What in the world's going on? So you want to place that in the oven for the same amount of time, anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes, but keep an eye on it as well, okay? Let those cool for a little bit longer, for anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, because it seems like almonds, I tried them at 5 minutes, they were a little hot. They were a little hot then, okay? But this is, once again, something fun you can do with the family, and as well as it's healthy and you don't feel guilty about it, right?
Right. Absolutely. Foods can be like medicine.
Yes, it really
so
can.
You really want to look for what are the benefits of what I'm eating.
Yes.
And it makes for a healthy, happy gut. And I'm telling you, if your gut's happy, you're overall
You're gonna be
feeling
happy.
pretty great.
Yes, and it's gonna come through your skin. People are gonna see that glow, and it's just gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be wonderful.
Yes.
I'm telling you, try it. Try it. You will not ever go back. But there you have it. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us for more delicious and flavorful recipes.
And leave a like and comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Market. BariGirls out.